back, man. So yeah, y'all seen, man, we here setting up for the prom. I seen old Ashton, man. I'm finna run and go and get the duty man, so he finna tear all this shit down. As soon as I come get duty and I get back home, they might finna tear all this shit down.
Yeah.
Oh, look. Might finna be swinging on them balloons. She gonna be mad. But yeah, man. So that's let me run and go get him real quick. Get on back to the house. And yeah. Let the shenanigans begin.
My bad, B. I was in your way.
I'm in the corner.
Sit
down.
Come on. She's real pretty. Where your mom at? She up.
Oh, she coming up? Exactly.
Oh my God.
I got that.
You got that?
I got that.
Ashley, come on over here. Y'all come take some quick pictures.
Yeah, go over there.
They are.
Yeah, come on.
Watch out, watch out. That you there? Oh, no, I gotta get y'all to the side. Yeah, there it is. Okay, come on side.
I'm in y'all way.
Made in Manhattan, Ashley.
That's nice, man. But this go.
You better smile. Let me hold your phone. Jordan. Her friend. She's pretty. Then her brother. Oh, Ashley gotta put this on.
Yeah, y'all can go in front of me.
I like those real pictures. Y'all like paparazzi. You have to, yeah, so it won't, sorry.
I'm actually filming now.
Ashley. Yeah, you look so handsome. Do y'all want anything to eat? You better get the facade from him. We got hot wings in here.
Yeah, man, doing big dog prom shenanigans. That's what this thing out, man. We're doing big dog prom shenanigans, man. Y'all see the drip. You know what I'm saying?
She already know how to do that. That's my oldest grandson. Hey, Tia.
What's up?
Hey, that's okay.
Hey, man, hey. Stop running through here, man. Y'all go sit down. I don't care who it was. Y'all just go. Go.
These are my aunts. Oh, okay. That's okay. Get her, please. Oh, okay. I can see. Oh, I can get in. I know I'm a little colorful. Y'all want something to eat? Oh, she put. Oh, wait, let me get this picture right quick. Who, Ash, you gonna get? Wait a minute, we're trying to take pictures. Right. Get them something to eat. Oh, you take Here's the driver right here. He's waiting. He's we don't have cash. Are you Miss Bill? Thank you all. That's where you're at right now. Oh, that's good. Yeah, shout out to Can y'all get up under balloons? Come on to the left. Come on to the left.
What happened to
Okay, Tia, look, we're gonna be like paparazzi. Tia, look this way. You are celebrities today, tonight. Y'all are celebrities. Tia, Ashton, look this way. We're gonna be like Rihanna. Y'all be like Rihanna and what's his name?
Ah, that was lit right there.
Enjoy this one night.
What's Rihanna?
Just for one night.
What's
Right,
Rihanna
enjoy this
favorite?
one night.
Please get that. I'm gonna be dreaming about this tonight.
Oh my God.
They had such a good time. Yeah, they had a good time. This is good. This is beautiful.
Alright, that's good.
Stay right there.
Smile too. Oh, yeah, smile. Okay. Okay, good.
Come on, mama.
Yeah, that was a little good job. Told you to smile. You did it right at the right moment.
That's the sexy look. That's
Yeah, y'all killing him. Y'all see him licking his lips?
okay. Y'all can make YouTube, baby. It's gonna go viral. I'm speaking into existence. All right.
First time I'm doing it.
Oh, yeah, walk around that way. Because there's a little skin over here. Walk around that way.
You want the flashlight on?
I guess.
I took the flashlight on. I'm blacker than a...
Hello? Oh, hello. Hey, this flashlight is not that good.
Hold on for a second. Wait on your drive. Hold on. I'm trying to see if he's coming. He might not be coming. All right, go ahead. Go ahead.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Okay, y'all wait to the camera.
You call for this?
Wait, okay. Peace sign, deuces, whatever y'all do now. To the camera.
There
wanna
you
get right
go.
here?
Yeah. You didn't have Brian with you.
All right, kick that out right quick. Now kick your foot out.
Oh, you
Just-
getting that shoe?
yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta. Hey, put your leg in here.
There you go, Brian.
Put your leg on in there. Now put your soul out. They gotta show them reds. Put a show the reds. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Oh, the red bottom.
Show the red.
Oh yeah, show them red bottoms. Baby, show them red bottoms. Hold them red bottoms up.
Yeah.
Then you gotta record up slow.
Yeah, do it. Let me see.
Yeah, there we go. Now wave, baby.
And there y'all.
Bye-bye. Wave at the camera. Wave. Come on, Brian.
Y'all wave at the camera.
Yeah, man. So we done sent Big Ashton, man. We done sent them off to Prom, man. You know what I'm saying? Sent them off, man. We got them old truck, man. We got them old chauffeur type. You know what I'm saying? He headed up. So, yeah, they out,
For the
man.
night?
They out of here.
That's it for the night?
That's it.
Don't cry, Ashley. I'm not. He's gonna have a good life. After I said though. He going to prom. After I said
Yeah.
don't
So,
cry.
man, now we're finna go in here and
Dating going on.
indulge.
She was real pretty too.
We finna indulge in these delectables, man, and yeah, it's a wrap. It's a wrap, dog. So, it's a dog, Big Beelo, man, Mr. Annie, man. I'll catch y'all next, man. We out here.